Hello 5th class, this is page 141 question 2, just to show you how to work these out. Okay, so my number is 18, I want related pairs of factors. So that's what numbers multiplied together give me 18. Well, 1 times 18, so they go together like that with brackets and a comma. 2 times what? Well, 2 times 9. Let's try 3. Well, 3 6s are 18. 4 doesn't go into 18, nor does 5. 6 does, but I've got it already here. 6, 3. 7 doesn't. 8 doesn't. 9 does, but I've got 9 and a 2 already. And I know I can stop halfway because 9 times 2 is 18, so 9 is half of 18. That's as far as I need to go. So that's my related pairs of factors answers. And then all factors just means putting all those numbers in order. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18.